Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help clean potassium permanganate from skin. Rinse the affected area gently under running water for at least 10 minutes while removing contaminated clothing and jewelry. Pat the skin dry with a clean towel and avoid rubbing or scrubbing, which can worsen staining or irritation. If staining persists, proceed to neutralization steps and seek medical advice for burns or widespread exposure. After initial rinsing, apply a mild reducing agent such as 3% hydrogen peroxide to the stained skin to help neutralize residual potassium permanganate. Dab gently with a cotton pad and allow a brief reaction, then rinse thoroughly with water. Repeat once if needed, but do not overuse peroxide on damaged skin. Monitor the area for increased redness or pain and consult a healthcare professional if symptoms worsen or if large areas were exposed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more safety tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during lab work or cleanup. I wear them when handling messy jobs, and they stay comfortable all day. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once staining is reduced and any small wounds are cleaned, protect the skin with a sterile, non-irritating ointment like petroleum jelly to support healing. Cover the area with a non-adhesive dressing to prevent contamination and change the dressing daily while watching for signs of infection. For deeper burns or large exposures, seek medical attention promptly. Keep tetanus vaccinations current for cuts and avoid applying home remedies that could interfere with healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.